Take this cover off right here. Use a pick or a straight blade screwdriver. Slide that off. And there's a Phillips head screw behind there. Take that screw out. Pop this trim piece off and use a trim tool. Just get underneath it and it just clips in. One of these clips is broken, but right there, and then it slides out that way. There's 2 screws in there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. Take a trim tool and just get underneath here. Just pry up. Now you can disconnect the connector. Just push down on the little tab. You can use a pick or a small screwdriver. Push down on that little tab and slide the connector out. Now take a trim tool and go around the perimeter of the door on this lower part. Don't worry about this trim piece up here. And just pop. We're going to have push pins all around the door. Just like that. And then behind here. Just like that. And slide it up. Pull it out. Disconnect this connector over at this light right here. Push down on the tab. And you want to disconnect these cables. Oh, some of these cables are broken. Just pop it out. Slide the ball out. Pop that out and slide the retainer out. Set that aside. Take these 2 push pins out. Use either a pick or a push pin removal tool, or use a trim tool. Slide those out. And grab this panel. I'm just going to pop it outwards. There's a little pin. You can either let it hang right there or disconnect the speaker, the tweeter speaker. Use a little trim tool. Push on the tab, set that aside. Disconnect this connector, just push on this little button. And disconnect it. Take these 3 nuts off. Use a 10mm socket. When you go to take the last one off, just when you get towards the end, just support the mirror on the outside, just so it doesn't fall. Slide it out. There is a little safety right here. Just push down on that safety. And slide the mirror out. Install this foam piece to the back of the new mirror. There's just a sticker. Take this off. And just line it up on the mirror. It's just insulation. Line up the tabs. And push that on. Slide the connector through. And once you get one of the nuts on, then you can let go of the mirror and get the other 2 on. Before you snug up the nuts, make sure these pins are lined up. Those look good. And you can snug them down. And just snug, not too tight. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Now take this trim piece, If you disconnected this, connect the connector and line this up. Push the push pins back in. Now take these cables and line this retainer up. This is going to go right in there, and then it's going to slide to the side, and secure this little attachment down. Lock it in place. Do the same with this one. Slide the ball in position and lock it in place, just like that. Now down below here, connect the light. Take the door panel, slide the top part in next to the window first, the channel, and when they're all lined up, push the panel down. That's good. Connect the connector for the window switch. Lock it down. Slide this panel back in place. Lock it down. Install the Phillips head screws. Snug those down, and this last one here. Take the cover, slide this end in over here, and clip it down. Take this trim piece and slide it in right here, and lock it down.